Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving deep into personal finance mastery, the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom. Whether you are a student, working professional, and planning for a retirement, this video will help you understand how to manage effectively. So grab a notebook because I will cover everything budgeting, saving, and investing, and making your money work for you. First is friend understanding personal finance. Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively. It includes budgeting, saving, investment, and planning for the future. Many people live to paycheck because they don't plan their finances. The key is to control your money before it controls you. So let's start with the golden rule: spend less than you earn. Second step is power of budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of a financial success. The powerful method is 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs for like rent, bill and food, and 30% wants for entertainment and shopping, and 20% for saving and investment. Apart from this, you can use apps like Mint, Yanab, and even Excel to track your budget. Stick your budget and you will always know where your money is going. Third step is importance of a saving. Saving money is non-negotiable. Follow these key saving account. First is emergency fund is like 3 to 6 months of expenses. Second is retirement saving is like start as early as possible. And third is small saving is like gadget or vacations, etc. Apart from this, Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Even small saving can grow into the fortune over time. Fourth step is smart investing strategies. Investing is the best way to grow your wealth. Here are some beginner friendly options. First strategy is stock market. You can invest in index fund. Second strategy is real estate is like rental property or REITs. Third strategy is a mutual fund or ETF is like diversified investment, and fourth strategy is side businesses. Start a side hustle for extra income. Moreover, you can start early, stay consistent, and think long term. Fifth step is increasing your income. Earning more money can fast track into your financial success. Here how first is freelancing, use platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Second is passive income, create videos like a blog or YouTube videos. Third is negotiating a raise, ask for what you deserve at your job. Remember, high income means to more saving and investment. Sixth step is managing debt wisely. Debt can be your biggest enemy if not handled properly. Follow the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first to gain momentum, or use the debt avalanche method. Moreover, pay off the highest interest debt first to save money in the long run. Apart from this, avoid unnecessary loans and credit cards that can ruin your financial health. Seventh step is retirement planning and financial freedom. Retirement planning is not just for old people, it's for smart people. Moreover, start investing in retirement accounts like National Pension System, Public Provident Fund, stocks, or real estate for extra income. Moreover, the goal is to retire comfortably without financial worries. Eighth step is avoiding common money mistakes. Many people struggle with financial management not because they don't earn enough, but because they fall into common financial traps. Let's look out the biggest money problems and how to avoid them. First is no tracking expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Apart from this, many people spend impulsively without realizing how much they are losing every month. Second is living beyond your means. Social media create unrealistic lifestyle expectation. Just because someone else is buying luxury goods does not mean you need to. If you are spending more than you earn, and you will always be in a financial trouble. And always in a budget rule, only 30% of your income should go towards into lifestyle expenses. Third is not having any emergency fund. Life is an unpredictable. Emergencies like medical expenses, job loss, or urgent repair loss can happen anytime. Without emergency fund, you may have to high interest loans or credit card debts. Fourth is ignoring investment. Many people think saving is enough, but saving would not make you rich. Inflation eats up your saving if it is sitting with a low interest bank account. So you have to invest in stocks, mutual fund, real estate, or ETFs. Fifth is not paying off debt fast enough. Credit card loans and high interest loan can trap into the debt cycle for years, and you will pay the minimum balance, and you will pay much more than interest in actual debt. So use the debt snowball method or use the debt avalanche method to become debt free faster. Sixth is relying on too much on credit cards. Credit cards are useful, but using them irresponsibility leads to high interest debt. Many people fall into the trap of buying now and worried later. So use the credit card only for necessary purchases and always pay the use balance to avoid interest charges. Seventh is not planning for a retirement. Retirement seems far away, but the earlier you start, the easier it gets. If you wait until you're 40 or 50, save for a retirement, and you will need to save a lot more. Start investing in IRA, NPS, or PPS as soon as possible. The power of compound interest will make you huge difference over time. Eighth is not having multiple incomes. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. If you lose your job, your financial security is gone. So build multiple sources like freelancing, side hustles, passive income, or investment to create a financial stability. Ninth is no setting financial goals. If you don't clear setting financial goals, and you will end spending randomly without a plan. So set smart goals for saving, investment, and financial stability. And the last part is falling to get rich quick schemes. Scammer take advantage of people looking for a shortcut to wealth and think that sounds too be good to be true probably is a scam. Mastering a personal finance is a journey, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance tips. And drop a comment below what's your biggest finance goal for this year. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.